Hi, folks. I decided to use QuickTime this week and post it on YouTube. So I haven't used QuickTime in a while because I've been using Zoom. Anyways, I was staring at the screen to make sure it was working. Not that you need to know that, right? So, what's up this week? We're in week 5, and it's a very interesting week as you look at the learning module because you need to create and post quite a bit. And I really recognize that as I was rereading it today. So, what do you have to do? A table of contents, and that, please keep it brief. You just need to say what is in your entire e-portfolio. And I must say before I go on that the e-portfolios and with the artifacts to the prepositions or the PSL standards were just absolutely wonderful. I am just so impressed. And I want to say it's almost like we're working backwards because, you have two artifacts, rationales, reflection, and then two more. And some of you have 4 in there, but you have a total of 5 altogether. The designs are just, I've commented on every one's, of course, because you did submit them. But I'm just so impressed because it's almost like I said to myself as I was viewing these, what am I going to say when they're all done? Because they're so extraordinary right now. Anyways, had to toss that comment in, long comment, I guess, right? So then you have, for this week, you have an educational philosophy to write. My suggestion is if you have a recent one, tweak it. It's not something you usually do, and if you have been in education for many, many years, I'm thinking you haven't written one in a long time. I know there's criteria for that, but let's say a page. Let's keep it succinct. And mission statement. If you don't have a mission statement, do you agree with your district's mission statement? Yeah, I know it's a district, but think about that. Can you tweak that? And resume. So that's quite a bit, and I hope you can dig deep and see something that you already have, find something you already have or you're already using to put in there. Another part of this week is you have to keep on working on your e-portfolio. So if you already have your rationale and artifacts in there in reflection for more than 2, then I would say balance yourself the other way. This week, if you need more time to get any of this done, please take it. Just let me know. I won't grade it this week if that need be, and I'll wait till next week or midweek, however you need to do it. Because again, part of this week, if you go back to the learning module, and I always request that you do that because I'm sharing a synopsis with you and ideas and such. But if you have any questions, go back to that. And of course, you can text me and ask me as well. Matter of fact, there's somebody in EDU 791 I just happened to get on my email before I started doing this video, and they have a question about their e-portfolio. And thank goodness I don't get them confused. Thank goodness I've been doing this long enough. So stretch yourself a week, week and a half, whichever you need to do, because if you don't have the philosophy done, if you don't have a current resume, if you don't have a mission statement, that's quite a bit to do. So again, keep collecting your artifacts though, and that's the part that, as far as the e-portfolio. In the discussion board, it also talks about your e-portfolio and how you share it. One of the tasks is to share it in Q&A. My suggestion this week is to take your e-portfolios, share it in the discussion board, and let's see where we can go. If somebody has an education philosophy, this is not in the learning module. I'm just sharing if you want to do this. If you have an educational philosophy already and you want to share it so others can see. So let's really be a great support group for each other this week, right? Bottom line, all you need to do is what's in the learning module. But I'm saying with all the tasks that you have, if you need to stretch it out, please do, okay? This is part 3 of the e-portfolio. Part 1, we've already is part 3 is coming up. I'm sorry. Part 1 is what we're doing now, just to clarify. Part 2 is the 5 artifacts. Part 3 is coming up. All right. So, but we'll work with that as we go through the weeks. I know there's a lot going on. I say this every week, but I went to my office today, and actually I was going to do the video in the office so you could see my office again. But I got called to do some more contact tracing. So thus I'm home and doing this video. So I know what you're out there and what you're doing, and I'm just so I'm amazingly impressed that you're taking a course right now and doing as grand as you are. So take care of yourselves. You need anything, let me know. Have any questions, please text me, email me, call me, okay? And be well. And my cell is 207-284-3680. Okay, thank you so much.